everybody. I am coming back to you on my beautiful baby. And as you could probably already noticed, this is the first video with most of my mods on. So I'll go over the video, or not video, I'll go over a little later what I've added, all the stuff and things. But for the most part, I am heading to the gym, get a little bit of exercise going, and then I might head down towards the coast and have a little yarn / talk about, well, what's going on, essentially. So, for the most part, to put it very, very simply, I'll go into more detail a little later. I have been very, very, very sick, and that has prevented me from getting footage, to put it very simply. So, you boys not very happy about that, but for the most part, I'm doing a lot better now. But yes, like I said, more details later on down the track after I finish the gym. I'll give you more deets and doodads and stuff. But for now, we go gym. Yes, sexy little beach. Another good gym session. So, ladies and gentlemen, let me just quickly go over what is new on my bike. She needs a proper clean too. So, mod wise, well, as you can already tell, the Ruroc stealth mirrors for naked bikes is now a thing, and was released about 2 or 3 months ago, and I just came across it at some point, just searching for, you know, new mirrors and stuff for the bike, and well, I came across Yummy Noob's little review, I guess. I don't know if it was a review or sponsored or whatnot, doohickey, but yeah, he put the stealth mirrors on his Street Fighter, and boy, do they look sassy. Very sassy. Aside from that, new comfort domino grips, and something I should have gotten when I first got the bike was the screen protector. So I got an anti-glare screen protector. Put it on this morning, but now I'm noticing a few little pockets of air in between the thing that don't want to be popped, so I'm gonna have to be playing with that in a moment when I get home. So yeah. Alrighty, she is warming up today. It's supposed to be not that hot, but boy do I feel warm. But yeah, for the most part, those are the 3 new additions to my bike. The stealth mirrors, and well, grips and screen protector, so I can't complain. So I'm just gonna go for a little bit of a zip, because it's been a while since I've actually been on the bike properly, essentially. and I will get into that momentarily. Wow, English, holy shit, momentarily. So, the main predicament that I've been in is, simply put, I've been very, very sick. About 3 weeks ago, yeah, so about 3 weeks ago, right, I was out and about working, and, well, as for those who know, during semester break I've been doing a little bit of work driving people around whenever I get bored for Uber. So I got bored. I decided, oh, you know what, instead of just staying at home playing some video games or watching TV shows, let's go make some cash. So that is what I proceeded to do, and lo and behold, I picked up 3 separate people who had flu-like symptoms. And I still have just about getting over everything now. And I have checked, I am not contagious, so there's no need to stress about me going to the gym and whatnot. But yes, 3 people, picked them up, dropped them off, and my dumbass forgot to put on a mask once I started hearing them cough. So, partially my fault. I do take responsibility for that. But yeah, after that week, well, 3 days that I worked of that week, I progressively started to fall ill. Now, I did the routine COVID tests and all that crap to figure out if it was COVID. And turns out it was not COVID. Turns out my tonsils and my gland that is next, well, the gland that's in your throat, next to your tonsils, both of them were infected. I wouldn't really use the word infected. There was a virus, let's say that, put simply. It was a virus. Now, out of those 3 clowns that I picked up that were coughing, I don't know which one it was, or it could be the combination of the 3 having 3 separate, you know, flu or infection or whatever it was, coughing in my car. And one thing led to another, and your boy got whammied. And whammied hard to the point where I was bedridden for 2 weeks. Not just bedridden for 2 weeks, but I had like low blood pressure, I could barely walk, I could barely get up, I could barely do anything, I could barely even eat. So it was beginning to get pretty scary. So obviously amongst all this shit, there's no way in hell I would be able to get out and ride even though I would want to. And that's the sucky part. So that happened, and the last video that I had that was editable, when I reviewed the footage, lo and behold, audio issues. The audio did not record properly, so I was spewing, man. Which is where you guys would have noticed last week I had no video. I only was able to upload some shorts. Homie, you're indicating the wrong ass way. But yeah, that's why I uploaded some shorts, and that was about as far as it went. But yeah, that's mostly what's been happening. And obviously I bought all these parts when I was sick to, you know, give me something to look forward to when I had fully recovered. So yeah, that is what's been happening with me in the last 3 weeks. I have been seriously freaking ill. And sadly, well, not sadly, it's good. I'm feeling better now. I can actually get out and ride and do things, which is kind of nice for once. So So hopefully there'll be a ride coming up this Sunday I can attend if all things go well. At the moment all I'm dealing with is a bit of a cough and some tenderness in the tonsils. Haha. But for the most part, more or less fully recovered. Hell, I'm able to go back to the gym and it's, well, I'm not infectious, which is good. And that was a quick little zippy zip. But in all intents and purposes, I'd like to thank y'all for always showing me some support, even though when I'm ill and I'm unable to actually post something. Well, y'all are always there, staying strong. And I hope everyone else is doing well. Hope everyone isn't under the weather like I've been. And yeah, hopefully I can say fingers crossed. Hopefully I'm not gonna get sick again, but who knows. Getting sick is one of those things where it just randomly freaking happens, and it's hard to tell sometimes. But anywho, as usual, thank you for your love and support. You OGs, you're the real MVP. And for those who are finding themselves on my channel quite frequently, please show me that love and support by liking and subscribing to my channel. But without further ado, I will catch y'all in the next video. Peace, ride safe, and as always, deuces.